We have a lot of evidence to show that exposure to conventional alcohol marketing, things like marketing on TV and newspapers, billboards and magazines, is associated with the increased consumption of alcohol.
It establishes so clearly that the harm of alcohol marketing goes beyond young people and it affects vulnerable adults. And I think it's really important that we do bear this in mind as we go through our deliberations about how best to regulate alcohol marketing. So much emphasis is placed on protecting children, but there are many vulnerable people in the adult population who also need protection from alcohol marketing. And policy does need to be designed with this in mind.
You know, when the wine and beer industry started their own branches of non-alcoholic beverages and started to advertise those, the spirits industry decided that they are not worst. You know, they can do also the equivalent drinks which are non-alcoholic.
As said earlier also, alcohol industry is doing exactly what the tobacco industry did several decades ago to ensure the growth and increase profits, expanding into low and middle income countries and employing aggressive marketing strategies. This needs to be combated with effective regulation of alcohol marketing.
There's also evidence to show that exposure to digital alcohol marketing in young people and the ways in which young people engage with that marketing is also associated with increased consumption. There's enough evidence now that researchers have concluded that there's a causal relationship between traditional marketing exposure and youth drinking. The industry makes really big claims about digital alcohol marketing, and they've been doing this for a number of years. They say that digital marketing is transformative for the industry, it's revolutionary, and that personalisation is the future of marketing. Social media marketing agencies also make these claims, and I thought I'd just give you some examples of what they're saying about alcohol marketing.
And Vietnam and Southeast Asia, if you do not know, that we are among the fastest growing digital economy in the world. Vietnam with 97 million people, and we have the majority are the young population. And we are among the top 15 countries with in terms of smartphone users. And we are we rank 7th in terms of number of Facebook users. And but also good news for us that next year the Vietnam advertising law is also proposed for revision, and we as Alive and Thrive is requested by the government of Vietnam Ministry of Information and Comms to provide technical assistance related to digital marketing regulations.